For decades, America's rail system has been a relic of the past, struggling to keep pace with the modern world.
But a $2 billion revolution is finally here to reclaim the tracks.
Check the torque settings on segment 3. The readings are slightly high here.
Already calibrated, but I'll double-check the connection points now.
This is the Next-Gen Acela, engineered for 160 miles per hour on the busiest rails in the nation.
Designed for speed, built for reliability, and tested for the American landscape.
Join us as we go inside the factory to see the birth of America's fastest train.
The journey begins with raw aluminum. Each 60-foot car body starts as a complex skeleton designed for extreme durability.
Strength is paramount. These panels are pressed with enough force to shape a future that can withstand 160-mile-per-hour winds.
Before a single seat is installed, the frame must pass a battery of stress tests that simulate decades of wear. Thousands of miles of cabling are woven into the frame, acting as the nervous system for America's newest Titan. The heart of the beast. These high-output traction motors are engineered to deliver constant torque at extreme speeds. Safety at 160 miles per hour requires massive braking force. Each bogie features independent, computer-controlled calipers.
This junction here is causing the overload.
But the specs indicate, well, no, we need to reread primary.
That's it. We should.
The specs indicate that configuration.
Innovation means protection. The front frame is designed to absorb massive energy in the event of an impact.
Tilting mechanism engaged. Pressure stabilizing now.
Perfect fit.
The marriage of the body and the bogies, a critical milestone where the skeleton becomes a mobile machine. The foundation is set. Now, the machine begins to take its true form.
Luxury begins with silence. A multi-layered insulation system is installed to ensure a library-quiet ride even at top speeds.
Okay, easy now. A little to the left.
Yeah.
Copy that, watching the seal. The social heart of the Acela, a modern cafe car designed for both productivity and relaxation.
According to the schematic, this harness connects directly to the ventilation unit here.
But the clearance doesn't match the current wiring setup on bay 3.
The brain of the Titan. A digital glass cockpit designed to give engineers total control over every subsystem.
Powering up. The sophisticated onboard computer processes millions of data points every second to ensure a safe journey.
We have a green signal block all the way to New York Penn.
Yes, the navigation system is fully synchronized with the trackside equipment.
Reliability over flash. Every interface is designed for 24/7 operation in the toughest rail environments.
The soul is integrated. The Titan is now a living machine, ready for the high-speed tracks of the Northeast Corridor.
To master the curves of the Northeast Corridor, the Acela must learn to lean. The active tilting system is its most crucial advantage.
The wear on these bellows is excessive for the mileage. See the cracking here?
Yes, I see it. We should schedule a replacement immediately.
We're seeing a sharp uptick in the response time here.
Reroute the dampeners and check the telemetry on Sector 4.
The Acela must withstand relentless vibration. This rig simulates 20 years of track wear in just 20 days.
This is the bogie assembly diagram. Are these the fail-safe valves?
Yes, they are. The safety verification checks out.
Even at a 6-degree tilt, the passenger cabin remains a sanctuary. The engineering hides the physics of speed.
The hardware is proven. Now, we face the invisible force, the air itself.
At 160 miles per hour, the air becomes a solid wall. Every curve of the Acela is sculpted to slice through it with minimal resistance.
The pressure spike at the cowling is still too high.
Yes, the drag coefficient hasn't normalized in the last 5 runs.
Yeah.
From the freezing winters of New England to the scorching heat of the mid-Atlantic, the Acela must remain a sanctuary of reliability.
Safety is non-negotiable. Every pane of glass is tested to withstand impact forces far beyond anything it will face on the corridor.
The input levels look stable on channel 4.
Good, I'm securing the last one now.
Crosswinds at high speed can be deadly. The Acela's low center of gravity and active suspension keep it pinned to the rails.
Levels peaking at 200 volts per meter. Systems check green.
Tests passed. Limits pushed. The Next-Gen Acela is no longer a prototype. It is the new standard of American speed. The wait is over. The fastest train in American history finally meets the tracks it was born to conquer. Precision in motion. The active tilting system allows us to maintain speed where others must brake. A new era for the Northeast Corridor. Faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever before.
The Atlantis Express service from Washington, D.C. is now arriving on track 4.
This is more than a journey. It's the heartbeat of a new era for American travel.
Built by hands that believe in the future. Engineered for the world of tomorrow.
NextGen Machine Works, building the impossible. Subscribe to join the future.